Hello, my name is Emma and welcome to Twinkl Tips Tuesday. This week we're going to look at how to use the Twinkl report writing resources to write our reports. So first, let's log on to twinkl.com.au and click the login button in the right hand corner of the screen. Once you've logged in, we're ready to start. Today we're going to look at how to use the Australian report writing bank of statements to begin our report writing, and they are editable, so it's not cheating. You'll find this bank of statements resource in the Twinkl Recommends column, or you can search for it by typing Australian report writing, clicking search, and then finding the exact bank of statements you want. Today we're going to look at the Australian report writing bank of statements from Foundation to Year 6, which covers all of primary school. These bank of statements match the latest Australian curriculum. We go to the bank of statements, click download, and then it will download and open in an Excel format. These bank of statements span across Foundation to Year 6 levels, and they are across all learning areas with general comments. They can be edited or personalised, which is how we're going to show you here. It's sort of like a report writing generator. So here under child name, if we change it to say John Smith, gender being male, then all the bank of statements within the other subjects, as we can see, turn to John Smith with the pronouns he, his, etc. The same thing also happens if we changed it to a girl's name, Sally Smith, with the pronouns her. So we change it to Sally Smith, gender female from the drop down there, and then it will change to Sally Smith and her. We can then also edit and add little comments we would like to the bank of statements as need be. You're a head of department and would like to explain to your staff how to use the Twinkl bank of report writing statements we'll be looking at today. We have a PowerPoint here that you can go through that explains it step by step with screenshots as well. Search for report writing PowerPoint, click the download button, and it downloads as a PowerPoint file. This has been Twinkl Tips Tuesday. Join us next week for some more Twinkl tips, and good luck report writing.